In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Forecast tab in Salesforce, focusing on the initial setup of forecasts and quotas. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step together. To get started, first log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, the first thing you want to do is head over to Setup. You can find the Setup option by clicking on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This will open the Advanced Setup menu, which is where we need to be. With Advanced Setup open, make your way to the Quick Find search bar. Here you're going to type in Forecast Settings. This will bring up a set of forecasting options. Enable these settings, and you'll need to choose the type of forecast that best suits your business needs. The options include Opportunity, Product, and Territory forecasts, each offering unique insights and tracking capabilities, so choose the one that aligns with what your sales team needs. Once you have your forecasts enabled, it's time to assign forecast managers. Head back to the Quick Find box and type in Users. You'll want to select Role Hierarchy. This area allows you to set up who will oversee forecasts. Assign the designated individuals within your organization to assume management roles. This ensures that the right people have visibility and control over the forecasting data, allowing for more streamlined and accurate forecasting. After assigning your managers, it's time to add quotas. Using the Quick Find box again, search for quotas. You'll need to input quotas for each user for every period that's relevant to your business cycle. Accurate setting of quotas is crucial because it drives the accountability and productivity of your sales team. Make sure to review each user's quota and adjust them according to their targets and historical sales data. Next up, it's time to view all these settings in action. Use the app launcher and navigate to the Forecast tab. Here, you'll be able to see a comprehensive view of quotas, your sales pipeline, and closed deals. This tab acts as the central hub for tracking and analyzing the progress toward your goals. It's a powerful tool that can provide you with a real-time snapshot of where your team stands. Finally, managers have the ability to adjust forecasts as needed, which is particularly useful when market conditions change or there's new information that impacts sales goals. Sales reps, on their end, can track their progress against the quotas in real time, allowing for adjustments and strategies to be planned much more effectively. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now set up your Salesforce Forecast tab, and you're equipped to monitor and manage your sales forecasts and quotas efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, accurate forecasts can make a huge difference in reaching your sales objectives. See you in the next video.